Hi, I'm David Katzmeyer from CNET. I'm at CES 2018 in LG Display's booth. Behind me is one of the coolest things I've ever seen. This is a rollable OLED television. 65-inch TV that LG Display has developed as a prototype to show to other manufacturers. This is not something that's coming out right now, but it is something that could be easily coming out in the next few years. The idea here is the TV rolls up into a little tube about 100 millimeters in diameter, and it fits down into this little box. Now, of course, that makes the TV completely able to disappear at will, and of course you can bring it down a little bit or all the way, and the TV itself actually changes the amount of video on the screen. Right now I'm going to show you the 21:9 mode, where you can actually have the TV display 21:9 wide aspect ratio movies without the black bars. There's another mode where you bring it all the way down, and the TV has a few apps that appear on the top, so you can just have the TV peeking up a tiny bit, and the rest of the space doesn't have this big ugly black box. Of course, this is a mock-up here. We're looking at a prototype. This little box on the bottom here, LG says, for example, you could build it into a piece of furniture. You could actually make it portable. They told me that there's actually a mock-up that they have with handles on either side. They were toting it around to different rooms to test how it works. So again, the idea is making this TV much more versatile, making a large screen portable and small, so you can take it wherever you want. So that's a quick look at the amazing rollable 65-inch OLED display. This is from LG Display's booth at CES 2018. Here it goes. This might be the last you see of it for a little while, but again, one of the very coolest things I've ever seen and one of the coolest TVs at CES 2018.